Hi Richard, this is Kay over here, Peterson Stampede. I wanted to send you this quick personalized video for two reasons. One, so you can put a face to my name so you know who's going to be assisting you over here behind the phone, the computer. Jennifer is no longer with us here at the dealership, unfortunately, so I've gone ahead and taken over your account to help better assist you in your search. And two, to say thank you because it looks like you were looking for that F-150 that we have available over here. Give me a call though. I do have a couple questions for you to make sure that I'm up to date in your search and assisting you as best as possible. You can reach me at 208-475-4085. I'm here until about 8:30 this evening. If I don't hear back from you by then I'll reach out to you again later this week. Thanks, Richard. I look forward to hearing back from you.